Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn octal to binary conversion and binary to octal conversion. First section covers octal to binary conversion. The technique is we have to convert each octal digit to its 3-bit equivalent binary representation. Now, what is 3-bit equivalent binary representation? For that you have to remember this table. There are many techniques to remember this table. I am explaining you some of its technique. The first technique is remember weights of these digits. So in binary representation we have 3 bits for each octal digit. Starting from right, weight of this digit is 1, next one weight is 2, next one the weight is 4. So 1, 2 and 4 are the weights of 3 bits binary equivalents. Let us take one example in octal digit. If you want to write equivalent binary representation of digit 6, then using weights, that is 1, 2 and 4, you can write 4 plus 2 equals to 6. Therefore we will put 1 in weights of 4 and 2 and 0 in the weight of 1. So 4 plus 2 equals to 6. So binary equivalent of 6 is what? 110. Let us take another example for octal digit 3. Using weights 4, 2 and 1, you can write 2 plus 1 equals to 3. So 0 in the place of 4 weight and 1 in the place of 2 and 1 weights. This is one technique. Another technique is simply just write this table. First column is octal, so 0 to 7, and in binary for first column write 40 and 41. For second column or second bit 2021, 2021, and for last bit 01010101. Again I am repeating. For first line write 40 and 41 in group. For second bit write in two group 0011, 0011, and for last just write alternative, that is 01010101. Now using this table it is very easy to convert octal into binary. Let us take one example. Here 705 in octal is converted to some binary number. So first we will write 705 with some spacing. By this table you can write 7 equivalent binary number 111, 0 equivalent number 000, and 5's equivalent number 101. Now simply merge these numbers and you will get your answer, that is 705 in octal is converted to 111,000,101 in binary. Second section covers binary to octal conversion. Technique is from given fractional point group bits in 3's to right and group bits in 3's to left. If you are left with less than 3 bits at the end, then stuff zeros. Stuff means you have to pad zeros to make it group of 3 and convert each group to octal digits. Let us take one example. 1011,010.111 in binary. So first we are writing point, then group of 3 to the right. From point to the right we will make group of 3. So here 111 as one group. Now we don't have any numbers after this 111, so our right portion is completed. Now for the left, starting from point we are making group of 3. So first group is 010, so we are writing 010. The second group is 110, so start reading starting from here 011 as second group, and you are left with only 1. Again I am repeating, from fractional point start to make group of 3. So first group is 010, second group is 011, and you are left with only 1. So you have to stuff two zeros in front of 1 to make it group of 3. Now you have to look into that octal to binary table. So for 001 you have octal digit 1, 0113, for 0102 and for 1117. So final answer will be 1011010111 in binary is equivalent to 132.7 in octal. Don't forget to add point over here. Thank you.